In this video, we will learn how to separate text and number. Suppose here in this column, I have put some text with number. Now I need to separate. This text and number in different cells, different column. How to do that? We will learn here. Suppose here Suman and then contact number. So in this single cell, that is text along with the number. So how to separate this? Text as Suman and then number. Maybe it is contact number or any ID number. And here you can see Naomi Day and then number. So text and number. So how to do that? You need to give effort to write down this formula. So this is very unique formula, a little bit complicated, but once you typed here, you can just copy and paste. So for the text, you need to write this formula within second bracket equals to left, then first bracket, then F162, that means this text, comma, then mean again first bracket, open one first bracket, if error, again another first bracket, find another first bracket, then second bracket, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, second bracket close, comma, then again the reference cell, this F162, comma, then within double inverted comma, then close the first bracket twice, -1, close first bracket and close second bracket. This is the formula. Then the text will come, and for the number it's shorter in length. So this is the formula, equals to substitute, then select the text, comma, then this text cell G162, comma, then double quote, close the first bracket and enter. So the same thing, you can just copy, you can use the same formula here, you see, copy and paste, it will come the text, and for number just copy and paste. So you can see this Rita Datta. So this is the number 87965, so 87965 like this. So in this way you can separate text and number using this formula. Once you type this formula, it will be applicable for all the cells.